Hi, I'm Dennis Johnson from Weiss-Johnson. Keep your cool this summer with a quality air conditioning system from Weiss-Johnson. At Weiss-Johnson, we want both your home and budget to be as comfortable as they can be. The Trane XB13 has met the Weiss-Johnson standard for long-lasting performance and durability. Weiss-Johnson recommends this air conditioner for its efficient and economical performance that provides you, the homeowner, with reliable cooling. The XB13 has a SEER rating of up to 14.5, making it an energy-efficient choice for your home's comfort. SEER rating stands for Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio. Basically, the higher the SEER rating, the more efficient the air conditioner is, and less power is needed for its operation. The Trane XB13 combines innovative components that give long-lasting, reliable performance. A precision-balanced direct drive fan is designed to provide a quieter operation and longer product life. The Trane XB13 has a 10-year limited warranty on its compressor, outdoor coil, and internal functional parts when the product is registered online at trane.com. A cool, comfortable home doesn't have to use a lot of energy. Call Weiss-Johnson today so we can provide you more information on innovative air conditioning solutions with efficiency in mind.
Weiss-Johnson, Weiss-Johnson, whoa. We're proud to be local and family owned. Count on experience to speak for itself. With Weiss-Johnson, Weiss-Johnson, whoa. Striving to bring you a comfortable